We want to add 2 by 3 plus 1 by 9. The lower part, the denominator, is unequal in this case, and therefore we cannot just add 2 to 1. What we want to do is find out a common number which can be divided by 3 as well as 9, and that number should be as small as possible. In this case, if you see, 9 is an exact multiple of 3, so what we want to do is we want to find a number here and a number here that can be divided by 9 or that can be divided by 3 as well. That number is 9. So 9 is same as here, so we get bigger number 9 here. Now we have not changed anything here. 1 by 9 is same as 1 by 9. This what we are going to do. We are trying to see how many times 3 times some number is 9. What that number is? That number is again 3. If you 3 multiply 3 by 3, it is 9. So we will write 3 into 3 here. Now if in a fraction, if I multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number, its value do not change. So this fraction becomes 4 by 9 plus 1 by 9, which is, now we can add these two numbers. 9, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 9. Let's take another look of another example. We want to add, let's say, 2 by 6 or 1 by 6 plus 3 by 4. In this case, there are some number multiple which is common to both. For example, now think of a number which is divisible by both of them, 6 as well as 4. And we know that that number, if you apply a little bit, that number is not 7, not 8, not 9, 10, 11, 12. You come to 12, and 12 can be divided by 6 and 12 can be divided by 4 as well, and that's the lowest number that can be divided by both of them. That number is called least common multiple. There is also an exact method how to do this, and this can be done like this. You factorize this 6 into its multiples. Like 6 is a factor of 2 into 3 and 4 is a factor of 2 into 3, 2 into 2. And what we do is, the factors that are common, we take only one time. This 2 and 2 are common into time, so we write 2 only once, and then other factors we write once. 2 into 3 into 2, that is equal to 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 2, 12. 12 is the least common multiple. So we write 6 as 6 into 2 and 1 into 2. 6 into 2 becomes 12. Now we are multiplying this by numerator by 2 as well as denominator by 2. The same thing we do here. We want to make this 4 as 12. To do that, we will have to multiply it by 3. We get 4 into 3, and then to keep the fraction the same value, we have to multiply the numerator also by 3. So 3 by 4 and 3 into 3 by 4 by 3 is the same thing, but what it does is it helps us add the number. So we can write it 9 by 12. Now we can add this 2 plus 9, 12, and that becomes 11 by 12. In some cases, you will be required to do the fraction addition and also simplify it. For example, 4 by let's say 9 plus, let's say 6, and we have 5 here. Now first thing we have to do is find the least common multiple of 9 and 6. So what we do is, 9 can be written as 3 into 3, 6 can be written as 3 into 2. The least common multiple, we take this is repeated, so we take it once, then multiply it by 3, multiply it by 2, is 3 into 3 into 2, 18. Now 18 means 9 into 2. Now we have multiplied 9 by 2, so we will multiply the numerator also by 2, plus 6, we have to write 18 here, so we write 6 into 3, which is 18, and then since we have multiplied the denominator by 3, we multiply the numerator also by 3. This becomes equal to 8 by 18 plus 15 by 18, and this is same as 8 plus 15 divided by 18, which is 23 divided by 18. Now 23 is more than 18, so it is sometimes also written as 1. So we divide 23 by 18, you get 118, and then the remainder is 5, and you write 1 5 by 18.